Hello, this is a video tutorial for how to place reservations on STEM Library Lab. So right now we're on stemlibrarylab.org, and if you're watching this video, you're probably on this page and you can go straight to search our inventory, or you can type in the URL directly. It's stemlibrarylab.myturn.com. If we hit that, we'll arrive at this site, and it will invite us to either create an account if we don't have one already, or log in. If you're using your own computer, you probably have your login saved on your computer, in which case you can go ahead and log in. If you don't remember your login information, you can either go to Forgot Password, and it'll do both password or username, or you can send an email to info@stemlibrarylab.org, and we can reset it for you. So we're going to log in. And now we're going to head to the Inventory tab. So this lists all of the inventory available on STEM Library Lab. Most of the items you'll see are in stock now, and occasionally you'll find something that says check availability. So if we click on this one, it says, well, we can get you this item, but it's going to take us a little bit because we don't currently own it and we'll have to order it. So we'll stick with in stock now items, and you can also go up here and search if you're looking for counters, or if you're looking for balances, and it'll bring up everything that we have. I'm going to keep it simple and stay on our main page. So I'm going to reserve, let's see, some of these 3-finger clamp retorts. I'm going to start tomorrow, and I'm going to reserve it all the way until the 16th. And you can see it actually doesn't have me reserved that whole time, so if I try one more time, it'll gray out the space, and that means I've reserved it from the 6th to the 16th. The maximum borrowing period is 2 weeks. And now I'm going to reserve some of these 3D fractions. And you'll notice that it no longer prompts me for a calendar, because now the calendar that I just set is applied to everything that I reserved from now on. And I'm also going to reserve this bowling ball. Now I've placed a bunch of items in my cart, but just like online shopping, I haven't actually reserved anything until I check out. So I'll go to my cart, and I'll say, you know what, I need a bunch of these 3D fractions. I think I actually need 10 of them. But if I say, you know what, I actually need 100 of them, it'll prompt us and it'll say, oh, we've actually only got 11 in stock. And same thing with this 3-finger clamp retort. If I need 4 of them, well, I'm all set because I just got a 4-pack. If I need 8 of them, then I can change this to 2, and I'm good to go. And if I need more than 1 bowling ball, and I try to change that to be 3 bowling balls, it'll tell me, sorry, we've only got 1 in stock. So, since I don't need 100 of these, and I just need 10, I'm going to write a note, and I'm going to say, do you have another bowling ball? I need a 12-pound ball, if possible. Have a great day. Okay, and once you're all set, you can hit Submit Reservation, and it will go through. So we just submit, and then soon afterwards, you will get an email that tells you that this has been successfully submitted and approved. And that's how to place a reservation on STEM Library Lab's website.